Forget about those boring 9 to 5 jobs. Enough about 4 years of college to get a career. We're going to skip all that and go straight to the finish line because it's time to start our very own clothing brand. And it's all thanks to the power of ChatGPT. Hey guys, my name is Webb, and in this video, we're going to be starting our very own t-shirt brand. However, instead of putting a bunch of work into research and development, product sourcing, designing, and marketing, instead, we're just going to put it all in the hands of the robots. We're going to be using a combination of ChatGPT, PlaygroundAI, Canva, Placeit.net, and Redbubble to create our designs and get our brand off the ground. So let's get started. First things first, we need to decide on a niche or a general topic for our brand. To help us with this, we're going to be using a state-of-the-art language model called ChatGPT. All we have to do is input a prompt, and ChatGPT will generate a unique and interesting topic for us. And since I really like the idea of creating a clothing company based on the rich history of America, let's input the prompt, give me a list of very unique, specific niches that I can create a clothing brand around, and make the list about different historical groups of people that inhabited America throughout history. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT has provided us with a great list of ideas as far as what we should focus our niche clothing brand on. I really like this niche about the Native American Indians and honoring their heritage. Great. Now that we have our niche topic, we can move on to the next step, which is very important. It's creating our brand name. So let's ask ChatGPT to provide us with a list of Native American tribes and pick one that stands out to us. Now, looking at this list of Native American tribes, Apache is one that is really standing out to me. It's a powerful name with a very rich history, and I think it's going to be the perfect name for our clothing brand to honor the Native American Indians. Now that ChatGPT has given us our niche and the name of our clothing brand, we need to move on to the fun part, the designs. Now, I'm not a graphic designer by any means, but luckily for us, we can use AI. So for our t-shirt designs, we'll be using PlaygroundAI.com to generate images for our t-shirts based on the description prompts that we get from ChatGPT. So let's just ask ChatGPT to write a list of prompts for PlaygroundAI.com for possible graphic designs for our clothing brand called Apache, which is a t-shirt brand that's inspired by Native American Indians and their heritage and tribal designs. Now let's copy these prompts and head on over to PlaygroundAI.com, where we will turn these text-based prompts into actual graphic designs. Now, Playground AI is a powerful tool that uses artificial intelligence to create high-quality images based on a description. This is a great way to get a sense of what different designs will look like without having to spend hours creating them yourself. Now, all we have to do is paste in the descriptive prompts that we get from ChatGPT of what we want our image to look like, and Playground AI will generate some unique images for us. If we like what image the software has created, then we could choose to save it to use for a design for our shirt. If we don't like it, we can add more to our description or try applying a different filter to create an entirely new image. And once we're happy with the image that Playground AI has made us, it's time to add some text to our graphic design. Now, although Playground AI is an amazing tool to create one-of-a-kind unique graphic designs without having any design skills yourself, one thing that it can't do is generate text. And that's why our next step is to upload our artwork onto Canva, and we're going to add some text to complete the t-shirt design. Now, Canva is a user-friendly graphic design tool that allows you to easily add text, shapes, and other elements to your designs. We can use the images we got from PlaygroundAI.com, edit and add text like our brand name to them using Canva. So just follow these steps. Head on over to canva.com and create an account if you don't already have one. Okay, now click on the Create a Design button and select T-shirt from the list of templates. Choose a blank t-shirt template or upload your own image of a t-shirt. You can use Canva's design tools to add text, graphics, and other elements to your t-shirt design. You can find these tools on the left side of the screen. Adjust the size, the color, and the position of each element as desired. Now, another great tool from Canva is their frames tool under the elements section. So you can use this tool to change our image we got from Playground AI from a basic square picture to an image with distressed edges to make it look more natural when you're putting it on a t-shirt graphic. Click on the Elements button on the left-hand side of the screen, scroll down the Elements list and find Frames category. Select the Frames category and browse through the available options. Select the frame that you want to use for your image. Drag and drop the frame onto your image. Now you can adjust the size and position of the frame as desired, and you can also adjust the color of the frame. Once you're satisfied with your design, you're going to want to save it by clicking on the download button located in the top right corner of the screen. In the drop-down menu that appears, select PNG as the file type and choose the appropriate export size. Now click the download button and your design will be saved to your computer. If you're using the free version of Canva, you won't be able to save your design with a transparent background, but you could solve this problem by using the free website Removebg to remove the background from your design and save your image with a transparent background. Now you'll be able to use your graphic design on any color t-shirt without a problem. Now it's time to make our store. So finally, we're ready to get our t-shirts out there to the world. And we could do this by creating a free store on redbubble.com. Redbubble is an online marketplace that allows you to easily set up your own store and start selling your designs. So first we sign up, next we upload our designs and set the prices for our t-shirts, and then we could start selling. So what you want to do is go to redbubble.com, create an account, and if you don't already have one, just go ahead and log in once you create it. You're going to want to click on the sell button at the top of the page and choose create a new product, and then select the product type you would like to sell. Upload your design or artwork and make any necessary adjustments to the product settings. Preview your product and make sure you're satisfied with how it looks. Then set a price for your product and choose any additional options such as a different color or size. If you want to sell more than one variant, click create product and your product will be added to your store. Now just repeat these steps to add as many products to your store as you want. And you can customize your store's settings by going to the shop manager section. So then you want to share your store link and promote your store on social media to attract customers. Now our last step, which is Placeit.net, is a bonus that can give your brand a professional look with models sporting your t-shirts without paying a single dime. You can use these photos of models wearing your clothes and post them on your social media to enhance the look of your brand. What you want to do is go to Placeit.net and create an account if you don't already have one. Browse through the mockup section by clicking on the mockups tab on the top navigation bar. Select t-shirts from the subcategory dropdown, and then you browse through the available t-shirt mockups and select the one you want to use. Once you have selected your mockup, you will be directed to a page where you can upload your design. Now click on the upload image button and select your design from your computer or drag and drop it into the designated area. Your design will be automatically placed on the mockup. You can adjust the position, the size, and the rotation of your design as desired. Now, once you're satisfied with how your design looks on the mockup, you could download it by clicking the download button. Select the format and size you prefer and click on download to save the image to your computer. Now, all you have to do is upload these pictures to your social media, and just like that, you have a legit clothing brand with professional models showing off your designs. And that's it, guys. We've successfully used ChatGPT to create a unique niche for our t-shirt company, create a brand name, generate high quality images for our designs, add text, and set up our very own online store to start selling our t-shirts. Now it's time for you guys to use ChatGPT to launch your own clothing brand. Thank you for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, and we're going to see you in the next video.